hello mga ka-Hallymaw. So ito po yung first COT ko po. And of course, start with prayer, checking of attendance, greetings, and then checking of assignment, showing my classroom rules, and then review of past lesson. So my review is all about tell me if I am function or not. So the student will answer function or not based sa picture na ipapakita ko sa kanila or graph na ipapakita ko sa kanila. First example or graph. So what is that? This is function or not. Okay, so the answer is yes. Next. Very good. This is yes, very good. How about this? Okay, so very good, no. Bakit siya no? It's because hindi natupad o nasunod yung tinatawag nating vertical line test. So, dapat sa function, isang beses lang mag-connect yung ating points. So, ito, ilang beses siya nag-connect? We have 1, 2, 3. So, therefore, the answer is no. Next. Okay, very good. That is yes. Next one. Answer is very good. That is no. It's because dalawang beses siya nag-intersect. So therefore, the answer is no. And then, how about this? Answer is no. So, pag dito yung vertical line test natin, mag-connect siya. So, hindi siya function. Next, how about this? So, we have output and meron din tayong input. Yung 1, ang partner niya si 1 and 3. And then, we have 5 and 5. What is the answer? Okay, no. Why no? Is because kailangan lang yung input natin, hindi pwede magiging dalawa yung partner niya. Dapat isa lang yung partner ng ating input or ang ating domain. Very good. How about this? Okay, that is one-to-one function. So therefore, the answer is yes. Okay, how about this? So we have ordered pairs 2, 4, 3, 6, 5, 9, 7, and 10. So ang titingnan na natin kailangan walang domain o yung first number natin dyan sa isang parenthesis na paulit-ulit. So we have 2, 3, 5, and 7. So therefore, this is very good. This is yes. Next, how about this? No. Yes, no is because merong dalawang number na naulit. Yung 1 and 1. So therefore, the answer is no. Very good. So thank you so much. Next, let's proceed to our first activity, which is fix me up. Okay, so I will show you a broken words. Okay, very good. So that is function. How about this? Okay, evaluate. So based on our activity or based sa ating words na pinapakita ko sa inyo, so who can guess our lesson for today? Very good. So our lesson for today is all about evaluating function. Next, so our objectives at the end of the session, the student should be able to substitute values in a function, evaluate a function, and then so this is the definition of evaluating a function. Means replacing the variable in the function, in this case, x, with a value from the function's domain in computing for the result. To evaluate a function, we should directly replace the indicated value to the given function and then perform the indicated operation. And then the last one, we need to simplify the answer. Okay, class. This is a machine. So, ano yung nakikita nyo na word sa machine? So, meron tayong inputs. Very good. Next, what else? Outputs. And then, Okay, that is function machine. So, we need to, kita nyo dyan class, we have to, parang sphere siya, ang input niya, and then yung pinrocess siya doon sa ating function machine, and then after na-process, meron tayong outputs na cube. Cube yung shape ng ating outputs. So, class sa bahay nyo, class, I have question. So, ano ba yung mga, as a child or as a son or daughter, so ano ba yung function nyo sa bahay nyo? Okay, very tagaluto. What else? Tagahugas. How about, what is the function of your father? Very good. So, dito na side sa ating activity na parang nagtatanong po ako doon sa mga estudyante ng mga real life situation na pwede natin makonect dito sa ating function machine. So, yun po yung mga example ko. So, kailangan natin makonect yung ating lesson into real life situation. So, marami pa po mga example dyan. So, like example yung rice, paano nagiging rice yun. So, from meron pang balat tapos nilagay doon sa parang gilingan and then nagiging palay na po yung rice na po siya. So yun po yung example dito. Okay, so this is the start of our discussion. So we have x. So si x yung ating input. Okay? And then na-process siya doon kay function machine and then the result is our y. Okay? So, for example, our input is, or value ni x is 1. And then, pinrases siya dito kay f, nagiging y. Okay? For example, so we have function f of x equals to 3x plus 4. So, what is next? So, ano rin yung value daw ni x dito, class? So, ito yung value ni x. We have 1. So, ang value ni x, ilagay natin dito sa lahat ng x or i-substitute natin doon sa lahat ng x ng ating function. So, we have, lagay natin dito yung 1 and then we have 3x. So, yung value ni x is nagiging 1. And then, do the operation and then simplify. So, ang operation dito is we have multiplication then add 4. Okay? So, next, so 3 times 1 equals to 3. And then plus 4 equals to 7. So, our answer is 7. So, yung input natin is 1. Our y is 7. Okay? Next. So, function. So, marami tayong ginagamit or usually class ginagamit ng mga teachers is we have f of x, h of x, and then g of x. Ito yung common na ginagamit ng teacher. Okay? So, pwede kayong makagamit ng iba't ibang variable. Okay? You can use b, a, or anything. Lahat ng variable pwede nyo gamitin as a function. Okay? Pero ito yung ang tatlong ito yung always natin ginagamit o always yung makikita doon sa libro. Next, or book natin. Okay? Evaluate. So, ito, mag-evaluate na po tayo kasi ang lesson natin is it's all about evaluating function. So, this is our function. So, f of x equals to 3x plus 4 if the value of our x is 2. So, next, copy the given. Yan yung step natin in class. And then, replace x with 2. Bakit 2? Kasi nga, yung value ni x dito is si 2. Okay, replace natin doon kay x. Kaya nagiging f of 2, then 3 times 2 plus 4. So, 3 times 2 equals to 6, and then plus 4. So, therefore, the value of our, the result or the value of our y is 10. So, our output natin is we have 2, and then our, our input is 2, and then our output is 10. Okay? Next. Evaluate f of x equals to 4x plus 10. Find f of 5. So, kanina, nakalagay doon is x equals to 2. what if wala kayong x na nakikita dito sa ating function? So, pag wala kayong nakikita na function, ito, we have find f of 5. So, therefore, yung value, yung x natin is C5. So, kahit walang x na nakalagay dyan equals to 5, so ito, consider na yan na that is the value of our x. We have 5. So, f of x, copy natin yung ating equation. And then, sabi doon, replace x into 5 kasi yung value ng ating x is 5. Okay? And then, do the operation. So, we have f of 5 equals to 4 times 5 plus 10. 4 times 5 equals to 20 plus 10 equals to 30. Therefore, our answer is 30. Our input is 5 and then our output is 30. Next. What if the value of our x is negative 2? So, ito yung negative 2. So, hindi siya x class pero f of negative 2. So, ito na yung ating value ng ating x. Hindi siya x equals to 2. So, wag po kayong malito. Pareho lang po yan. Okay? So, copy the equation. So, we have f of x equals to 5x plus 5. Then, replace or substitute the value of x, which is negative 2, into our x. So, si x nagiging negative 2. So, 5 times negative 2, that is negative 10 plus 5. Okay. So, as you can see, class, iba-iba yung sign natin. We have negative and positive. So, ang gagawin natin, class, we need to minus. Okay? Then, copy the sign of the bigger number. Bakit minus? Kasi magkaiba yung ating sign. So, negative 10 plus 5. So, sabi dyan, minus doon natin. So, 10 minus 5 equals to, okay, 5. Then, copy the sign of the bigger number, which is negative. So, therefore, our answer is negative 5. So, negative 5 po yan. Okay? Negative 5. Next. So, we will proceed to our next activity. The title is Find Me. So, dito class, hanapin niyo yung totoong kung what is the correct answer. Answer sa ating, tawag yan, ating equation. Okay. So, sabi dyan, ang value daw ni x is equal to 4. Okay, raise your black strip if your answer is, if you're done your answer. Okay, so what is your answer? Okay, the answer is positive 13. Okay, positive 13. Bakit siya nagiging positive? So, ito yung value ni x natin is 4. So, lahat ng x dito, substitute natin yung 4. Okay? 4 squared equals to 16. And then dito, 1 minus 4 is equal to negative 3. Kaya nagiging 13 kasi malaki yung 16 kaysa kay negative 3. Okay? Next. How about this? So, h of x equals to x squared plus 2. So, lahat daw ng x, ilagay mo si negative 4. Okay? So, the answer is very good. Positive 18. Bakit nagiging positive? Negative 4 naman yung ating, tawag yan, value ng ating x. So, negative 4, dito ilagay mo sa x, then squared. So, negative 4 times negative 4, that is 16. So, lahat ng number, lahat ng ang sign, pag magkapareho yung sign sa multiplication, the answer is positive. Positive times positive, that is positive. And then negative times negative, that is positive. So, therefore, the answer is 16 plus 2 equals to 18. Okay, very good. Next. Okay, raise your answer. Okay, very good. So, the answer is 31. So, anong ginawa natin dito kay 31? So, x squared minus 5 or x equals to negative 6. So, ito, substitute natin si 6, negative 6. And then, si negative 6 is squared natin and minus 5. So, 6 times, negative 6 times negative 6, that is 36. Okay, 36. And then minus 5. So, the answer is 31. Okay, next, let's have a individual quiz. Isulat niyo po yung answer niyo in 1/2 sheet of paper. Okay, we have 5x minus 4. Find h of negative 2. Okay? Then yung second naman, g of x equals to x squared minus 4. Find h of 5. And then we have the last question. G of x equals to 3x minus 7, where x equals to negative 6. Okay, are you done? Very good. Okay, pass your answers. And then, the last one, assignment. So, that's the end of my COT. So, isang gabi lang po yung preparation kasi ngayon pa lang ako nag-decide pagka tomorrow na po yung aking COT. That's why hindi masyadong maganda yung aking nagawa or yung mga activity ko. Very simple lang. So that's all for today. Thank you so much mga ka-Hallymaw. Goodbye and God bless.
Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.